O que é que você tá comendo?
Pizza.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Duran Journal. My name is Sophia Duran, and today's video we're gonna go camping, and this time, yay, camping! Actually going a little bit closer to Tracy towards Sacramento. It's about an hour and 45 minutes away from us, and it's called Caswell Memorial State Park. They have campgrounds there, so we're gonna go. Chegamos! We're here! Let's go camping!
Okay.
Right there, river exit, and she shows the restrooms also there.
So cool.
It's beautiful. It's like full of trees all around.
Yeah.
We have a bunch of shade. This is the bathrooms. And some parking. That's nice.
Yay!
Okay, this is our campsite. Shaded. They have a little box for food and grill. Oh, I guess we can hear some cows. It's nice and private. It doesn't look like anyone is over there, so that's nice. Thiago, vamos camping? Yay, vamos. Vamos ver. Tem que tirar os sapatos, isso. You have to take your shoes off to go in. All right. It's a nice setup. Você gosta da sua tent? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put this little tube that I made with citronella essential oils for mosquito repellent. I heard that over here they have a lot of mosquitoes. So I put citronella essential oils with coconut oil in this little tube, and I'll be a repellent. You are camping, você tá dizendo? O que a gente vai comer? Vamos comer. And this camping is a little bit of a glamping. We got pizza and we also got sushi. No? Camping? O que é isso que a Pá tá fazendo?
Calmo.
Ah, tem uma cow que tá fazendo mu, né, filho? O que mais? Sheep. Last camping trip, we saw a bear. I'll put the link to that video. And we were banging pots and the bear box to make noise to scare it. And Thiago's doing the same thing here. But there are no bears. Okay, we're gonna go explore a little bit. We're gonna go try find this cow because we hear it moving and Thiago's very excited. He's like, come on, cow, move, come on, vamos. Vamos ver a vaca. We found the beach. I'm gonna take this little road. We were just on this road. Oh man, this cow. Eddie. It's the beach. Wow. This is a nice little beach.
This is cool.
Yeah.
This is on my chanclas.
The water temperature is actually really nice. And it's already 6, huh, Dee? And it's 6. Oh. Then exploring at the beach here. I'm gonna go take a loop around the campground and go stay in our campsite. We're coming back. There's a cute little woodpecker. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, home. Cheese. Vídeo agora, filho. Now we're just relaxing. We're so happy. Cheese. Você gosta de camping?
Papi.
É. Manda beijo. You looking for the woodpecker? You're welcome. Deixa eu ver sua camisa. Happy campers. Olha os gatos. Where's the cat? Hey. This is a little path right next to our campsite for the campfire center. The cat ran there and Thiago wants to see it. Oh, this is a nice setup. You have a little fire pit. And our campsite is right behind there. Diego's gonna make us nice hot chocolate. I forgot to mention there's no campfires allowed. So we brought food to cook on the stove, but we ended up being full with our sushi. The sky is beautiful. I think we're gonna have a really nice evening. The weather is nice too. And Diego is gonna get water to warm up for our hot chocolate. Good morning. Let's get out.
Vamos.
He just thought it was morning. Okay.
What happened?
I think he doesn't see the food. Car? Okay, espera, tá? Okay, good morning. It's 7 o'clock. Looks like Diego's getting the breakfast ready. We'll pack up soon, no rush. Maybe we'll go even to the beach before we pack up. Yummy! O que é que você tá comendo? Iogurte? You're gonna have bacon and blueberries and leftovers. Babies. Yeah. Fala.
Baby,
Chicken, a tent, comendo bibis.
Babies, Mama,
I wish you guys could smell this bacon. Oh, it smells so good, huh?
No.
No, it doesn't.
I love baby. I love
You love camping? Whoa.
I love pizza.
Oh, thank you.
Thiago?
Okay.
Look out.
Oh,
Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching. Ching ching. Campsite is all cleaned up and we're ready to go. We got at the beach and we found the vaca, the cow that was moving out there yesterday. A little escape. Bless you. Uh-huh. Small. We got inside. Now we're getting ready to pack up, go to the campsite and eat. And when we go bye-bye. Did you have fun? Fun? It was a lot of fun. People starting to get here. I think it's getting close to noon, so that's the time. Getting packed. It was a lot of fun, huh?